Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Wispr Flow with ChatGPT. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to open Wispr Flow, bring up ChatGPT, and then use Wispr Flow's voice input shortcut to begin speaking so your words can be entered directly. This is a simple process, but taking it slowly the first time helps everything feel smooth and natural. To begin, open the Wispr Flow app on your device. Before moving on, give it a moment to fully launch in the background. This matters because Wispr Flow needs to be active and ready in order to capture your voice input when you use its Command key shortcut. If this is your first time using it, make sure the app appears open and available before continuing. A good tip here is to avoid rushing past this part, since most voice input issues happen when the app has not fully started yet. Next, open ChatGPT. You can do this in the way that works best for you, whether that is through your browser or your desktop setup. Once ChatGPT is open, click into the message box or input area where you normally type your prompt. This is important because Wispr Flow will send your spoken words to wherever your cursor is currently active. If your cursor is not in the ChatGPT text field, your dictation may not appear where you expect it to. After both apps are ready, press the Command key for Wispr Flow and begin speaking. As you talk, speak clearly and at a steady pace so the transcription can keep up accurately. You do not need to speak unnaturally slowly, but it helps to pause briefly between thoughts, especially if you are saying a longer prompt. This can make the final text more readable and easier to review before sending it. As your words appear in ChatGPT, take a quick moment to check that everything was captured correctly. If needed, you can make small edits manually before submitting your message. This is especially useful for product names, technical terms, or anything that may not always be transcribed perfectly on the first try. That's all it takes. Open Wispr Flow, open ChatGPT, place your cursor in the message field, and use the Wispr Flow command key to start speaking. Once you get comfortable with it, this can become a fast and convenient way to interact with ChatGPT hands-free or with less typing.